This motor just changed the game. Ciclosfera, the top urban cycling magazine in Spain, tested the D-Go motor, and the results were surprising. Over 200 kilometers, heavy loads, city streets, garage ramps, even mountain trails. It handled everything. The D-Go is made by Doga in collaboration with Move Drive technology. It's a rear hub motor with 65 Newton-meters of torque. It uses direct drive technology. No gears, no noise, low maintenance. And yes, it regenerates energy when braking. You slow down, the battery charges, and your brake pads last longer. They tested it on a Bullitt cargo bike, added 30 kilos of extra load. The numbers say it all. 100 kilometers of real range, a 696 watt-hour battery, 3.2 kilos of motor weight, 111 kilos of total load. Tested it for a full month. It's quiet, smooth, and very efficient, he said. Perfect for cities, perfect for cargo bikes. So if you see this motor on a bike, trust it. D-Go by Doga, rethinking what hub motors can do.